Hey guys, welcome to Food Flavor Fondness. Today we are making something that complements majority of Indian dishes, may that be rice or paratha, and is also largely used in many sweet dishes. For making ghee, you will require the lactoderm or what you call the malai or milk skin that has to be collected every day. And remember to add 1 to 2 spoons of curd on the first day and continue adding milk skin for 10 to 15 days and store it in refrigerator. On the 15th day, keep the milk skin at room temperature for some 4 to 5 hours and give it a nice stir. Now, here's a tip. Boil warm water to the container in which you will be heating the milk skin, and also wash the hand blender or the manual blender with the same warm water. Now, this is important so that the milk skin does not stick to the blender or the container. Now, pour the milk skin into the container in which you boiled the warm water for the further processes. Keep in mind that the utensil that you are using for heating has thick bottom. After this, start churning the milk for 7 to 8 minutes. We have used a manual blender, but you can also go for an electric hand blender. Blend it constantly till you find a smooth, creamy texture. Now, add water to the container in which we blended the milk skin. You can add same quantity of water as that of milk skin collected. This water is nothing but the buttermilk. This buttermilk can be used for making masala buttermilk or kadhi. The recipe of kadhi will be uploaded in further coming days. Once you add the water, you will see that the white butter starts to float. As you can see, now we are draining the buttermilk in another container. We did it using our hands, but you can also use a strainer if you want. After this, add another round of water and drain it off. If you are preparing this ghee in summers, make sure you add ice cold water and drain it off. This step of adding water for the second time is necessary to make the ghee last for longer days. While draining the water, make sure there are no water droplets left in the butter because water content in the butter can make it boil while heating. Once you are done with the draining process, start heating the butter on high flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, the butter starts bubbling. At this moment, you will see a boil. This might be because of the little water content left in the butter. Now, simmer the flame to low. Once it stops dribbling, put the flame at high. You will not find any more boils further and it will only keep heating. Let it heat constantly for 4-5 minutes at high flame and do not stir it in between. At this moment, you will notice a change in color. It will seem yellowish. Keep heating it continuously at high flame till you find a completely burnt black layer at the bottom of the container. Also, you will discover a very strong aroma of the ghee, and these are the signs that the ghee is almost ready. Now put the flame off and keep the container aside. Let it cool at room temperature. Once the ghee has cooled down, stain it using a sieve. Your homemade and very healthy ghee is ready.